Have you ever encountered issues with objects not syncing across all domain controllers in your network? Let's explore the common causes and solutions for Active Directory replication failures. Active Directory replication is crucial for maintaining consistency across domain controllers. The repadmin tool can help detect issues like objects not existing on all DCs in a common. Replication scope. Monitoring AD operations includes tracking when replication starts and ends, identifying replicated object attributes, and detecting failures. This is essential for maintaining system integrity. Common errors include SYS-WAL replication issues with DES-WAL replication issues with DFSR errors like 46WAL 502 and 508. These can disrupt AD environments and require specific fixes. Replication failures in Amazon S3 buckets. Check the source bucket's configuration and set up event notifications to receive failure events for better visibility. Using repadmin commands can help troubleshoot replication issues. This tool provides detailed insights into AD's health and helps in resolving lesser-known problems effectively. In summary, maintaining a well-functioning Active Directory environment involves continuous monitoring and prompt action to resolve replication failures with the right tools and configurations. Have you faced any AD replication issues? Share your experience or questions in the comments below. Stay tuned for more deep dives into network management.